Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make public profile on Snapchat. Why would you want to know how to make a public profile on Snapchat? Well, you want to go public and you want to create some content, right? So today I will show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat in a very easy manner. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So first of all we will just go into the Snapchat and we will just give all the permission required, okay? And here just go to the chat section, and after that you have to click on the profile icon which is on top left side corner. After that you have to click on the setting icon which is on top right side corner, and after that you have to scroll a little bit guys, and here on the privacy control you have to first of all click on contact me and you have to click on everyone, okay? And we will just go back, send me notification, everyone, okay? And view my story, everyone. Then go back and spotlight, manually approve, depends upon you, see my location, turn off the ghost mode, and after that you have to give the permission, and I'll just give the permission, and here I will select these something else. For example, I will just turn it off here, and only those of friends, whatever you can do it, right? And again you have to go back and just doing all the changes, you will find one more option and it will automatically turn on, that is called public profile setting. If you don't find it here, you will find it here, that is my public profile, and here you can do whatever you want, and after that you can make spotlight and all that, and you can just click on the top three dots, and here you will get many more features in the public profile. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to make a public profile on Snapchat, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know any another way how to make a public profile on Snapchat, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.